Air release valves, WAR, are designed to vent trapped air that collects at high points in a pipeline. These valves continuously release air from systems, thereby preventing large air pockets to form, which can cause damaging pressure surge to the system. In many installations lacking air release valves, large pockets of air in the pipeline will cause power consumption to increase and flow to decrease, possibly completely. Another possible result of excessive air accumulation is the inexplicable pipeline rupture that is mistakenly attributed to ground settling or defective pipe. In reality, unusually large air pockets can greatly increase the pressure of normally occurring surges to the point where sudden stops and starts of flow can cause a pipe to rupture. As air accumulates in the air valve, water is displaced, causing the stainless steel float to drop to a point where the valve orifice opens, and the accumulated air is exhausted into the atmosphere. The water level in the air valve then rises and closes the valve orifice once again. This cycle repeats as needed and avoids the formation of potentially destructive air pockets.